there, hopefuls. Today we're going to take a closer look at our cooking utensil drawer.
In our home, this drawer can be found just to the left of the stovetop. You can see here that it was a hot mess. When we first moved in, things just got tossed. So it was getting stuck on items. It was hard to find everything. So my first day, I spent 15 minutes of decluttering. I simply pulled things out that were no longer going to live in this space. Some baking items got rehomed into my baking section of the kitchen. Other items got donated, and some items even made it into the Isaac box for when he moves out when he's older. The next day, I spent time organizing the space. I categorized things by frequency of use and or size. The very front of the drawer is going to be the prime real estate for drawers that you're going to use utensils like this for. So everything we use most of the time got placed in that front section. Behind that, you'll find the smaller items. I felt like when I was using the balsa wood to fill this space, having the smaller sections really helped lay it out and support the whole system better. So I did measuring cups, the wine opener, different things like that are just smaller. And then behind that, we did some items that we still use, but just not as frequently. Lastly, in the back, we have one big section for the rolling pin and those items that are sentimental, but I don't often use.
If you found today's video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe, the thumbs up, and the jingle bell so you stay up to date on all our tips, tricks, and organizing solutions. And until next time, stay hopeful.